Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A32. Okay, so first we need to power off our device, we need to hold the power key and now click on power off. Okay, and now we need to have an USB-C cable and that is also connected into our PC or laptop. Up to you. You can also use the Mac. And now we need to enter a special menu. We do it by holding both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert the cable into our phone. And when you insert the cable, don't release the buttons yet, wait until menu appears. So volume up and volume down. Now keep holding, insert the cable, hold still until this menu appears. Now we need to hold volume up, keep holding. Okay, and now it's asking us, do we want to lock the bootloader? We want, so we have to click volume up once. Now the phone will perform the factory reset. You need to have that in mind, that if you want to lock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and you will lose all of your data. So before the whole process, you can, for example, create a backup of your data. So have that in mind, that if you lock the bootloader, you will lose all of your data. Okay, now we need to wait until our phone turns on. We can unplug the cable also. And now let's wait. Now we have to wait until the setup process appears. We will go quickly through it, so have that in mind. So now let's wait. Okay, the phone has finally turned on. Now we have to go through the setup process, so click on start and now select your language. I'll stick to English. Okay, and then click on next. Click on next. Click that you agree, click on next. Okay, let's skip the Wi-Fi for now, so the setup process will be much faster. Thanks to that. Click on next. Click on more and accept. Click on skip. Skip anyway. But of course, if you want, you can, for example, do the setup process fully. In my case, I'm skipping it because we need to turn off one feature in developer options. So thanks to that, the bootloader will be fully locked. Now let's click on skip. Agree, next, finish. Okay. Now open up your settings. This time we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so click on connections, Wi-Fi, and select available network. Now type the password. Click on connect. Okay, now we need to go back. Scroll all the way down in the settings, click on About Phone, Software Information, and now tap on the build number a few times in a row until developer mode is enabled. Then go back, scroll down. It needs to appear first. Okay, developer options. And now we need to turn off OEM unlocking feature. Turn it off, and now we need to restart our phone. So hold power key and select restart. Confirm. And now, after the reboot, our bootloader will be fully locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.